Looks like we got the Marines back out here. Make some noise for the Marines, ladies and gentlemen. Team Navy out here, make some noise. Team Navy, what's up? All right. By the way, shout out to our officials out here. Make some noise for our Dodgeball officials, ladies and gentlemen. And my DJ Sam in the house on the ones and twos. Let's get into some Dodgeball. Dorota, take it out.
Oh man, it's our last game here. This winner takes all. We got a big trophy for you too. So you do not leave empty-handed here. You gotta beat the Navy twice though. Double elimination. All right, teams, foot on the line, foot on the line. Ooh, Miss Lori is holding her trophy. All right, here we go, teams. 3, 2, 1. Dodgeball. Right out the gate. All the men on the field. Ooh, hey, spectators, eyes up. Spectators, eyes up. These are your championship round. These players are not joking. They do not care if you're behind the line. You are out. Oh, Marine Corps. This time we got the short on. We are in. Please throw the balls back into the court if they're outside of place. Ooh, nice shot. Come on, spectators, we are in the last 2 games. Cheer it on up for the military team. We got Coach Oden on the side here. Broken arm does not stop him. He is part of the squad. Oh, hey, we got 2 left in Marine Corps. Are the Sailors coming out? Or are they going to catch the ball and get their team in? Marine Corps has 1 ball on their side. Come on, boys, catch the ball. We do not cross the line here. Keep your feet behind the line as you check those balls. Oh, my. Way to go, Marines. We'll call them the comeback kids. We have 1 more, though. 1 more game. Let's switch sides. Quick high fives. Switch up the side. Navy all battles for that side.
So, Dorota, if folks are just now walking up here, so now we got the Marines switching sides. So Navy has to win here in order to continue. Bring me up to speed here. How's it look?
Winner takes all.
Whoa, snap! So we're even Stevens right now. All right. This just come across the comms, ladies and gentlemen. The leapfrogs are in the air. They should be landing around 1 o'clock. I'll keep you guys posted. Eyes on the skies.
Not the leapfrogs.
Yes, true story. U.S. Navy parachute team going to be parachuting right there. Hey, make some noise for this young man right here making the noise, keeping our team spirit out there in the audience. Yeah, there you go. Let me see you dance, sir. Let me see you dance. Let me see you dance. There you go. Baby Shark right there. Right on, Baby Shark.
Did you call him Navy Shark?
Navy Shark.
Navy Shark. Woo!
Let's go, Navy.
Winner takes all here, squad. Winner takes all. We are in the... We're ready to go here. All right, I'm going to start off. Foot on the line, please. Foot on the line. All right, squad. Winner takes all. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! Make it entertaining, one. Yeah,
He got out quick, didn't he? He got. Uh-oh. This line judge says you out of here.
We got a real game on our hands here, BJ.
Man.
Rep is furious.
Our officials do not mess around. They take this ish serious.
They are the official dodgeball tournament.
Wow.
US Dodgeball.
Oh, how about that?
We get the pros in here.
See?
Are they going to catch the ball to bring a teammate in? 2-on-2. Yeah, that's right. Let's cheer them on a little bit. We got the Marine Corps. We got the Navy. Let's cheer them on. Maybe you know all the hype. They've been playing all morning. Dare I say they're tired. No dice on that, bro.
2-on-2, everybody. 2-on-2.
That's the game. Are they going to coordinate? I know they said let's go back. Oh! Not
Down to
10.
one. Down to one Marine.
Down to one Marine. One star.
Ah, he is out. Team Navy coming in for the win right there. Yes.
Let's give it up for our military. Give it up for the Navy. Give it up for the Woo!
What do you want to say to the Marines, Team Navy?
Nice job. Good high five. Sit down. I'm gonna ask that you stay on so I can present you this heavy trophy.
All right, if we can get the winning team out here now.
My winning team. It is my pleasure to announce that we got Navy Odin taken away for the championships this year. Broken hand and all, his team came through. Everybody make sure to slap him a high five. You get it, champion.
Wow.